Welcome to our Managing Cultural and Language Barriers in the Workplace course. Whether you have offices across the globe, a hybrid or fully remote diverse workforce, this course will provide practical tips for effective cross-cultural communication. Inclusive workplace practices for companies create a more welcoming, productive, efficient and fair working environment. In this course, there are 3 modules, followed by practical tips and a summary. In Module 1, you will explore the critical importance of cultural awareness in your communication, including visible and invisible aspects of culture. In Module 2, you will identify hidden challenges in managing diversity and cross-cultural communication issues. In Module 3, you will learn how to overcome cultural and language barriers in the workplace. We avoid drawing conclusions on the basis of generalizations. We all know there are subcultures within each national culture that have their own distinct values and beliefs. Everyone is an individual and stereotypes can be misleading, let alone unfair and counterproductive. We also believe in preparation, having good knowledge and understanding of our co-workers, business partners and our audience's cultures. Culture is the acquired knowledge people use to interpret experience and generate behaviour, such as the way we do things around here, what we believe to be the truth, and how we behave. Culture can include values, behaviours, practices, preferences, diet, expression, fashion, leisure, etc. And these can be influenced directly or indirectly by religion, belief, as well as laws and customs of a country. This is why we talk more about cultural competence rather than racial competence. Many people have a mixed heritage, and there can be different cultures and subcultures within nationalities and faiths. Cultures can be understood as systems of symbols and meanings that lack fixed boundaries and are very dynamic. What we learn about cultures, symbols and traditions today will most likely evolve and may be different in a few years. The reality, therefore, is quite complex, and our key message is: it's okay to be curious because this means you won't jump to conclusions and make assumptions about people, which can lead to prejudice, miscommunication, and misunderstandings. Everyone takes a unique approach to online learning. To succeed with this course, there are 4 main areas you might want to consider. Part of treating your online learning as you would with an in-person experience is to keep focused. Make time to write up your notes, which will naturally encourage you to actively engage with the material and put it into your own words. You can pause and take notes as you go. You can pause and spend some time to think about each lesson and any questions that were asked. Allow yourself to work at your own rate of speed. You're not in competition with anyone else. Set aside time and space in your day to revisit the course in a week or a month's time. We trust you will enjoy the course.